Hey guys, welcome back to ScooterATVSales.com. So we're gearing up for the fall and coming up holidays. So I wanted to give you guys a glimpse into what's going on and show you some ATVs and updates in regards of inventory. Now keep in mind, inventory is very in short supply. It's really hard to get, whether it's drop shipment or it's a storefront. So keep that in mind. Always call before ordering. I don't care which online company you choose to order from. Always call before ordering. So particularly for you new customers to the Chinese motorsports arena, I want to show you guys what to expect. Again, everything you order online is shipped box crated. Depends on what you ordered, will depend on the size of the crate or the box. And again, assembly required, partial assembly acquired, instructions not included. So we're going to start with an update here at our storefront, show you what we are building up to. So right now, we do have a lot of stuff that just arrived again. They're in a crate. So we got the assembly crew here doing a lot of assembly and setup, getting things ready for fall and for the upcoming holiday. We got the DB14 by Tao Motors, DB10. Of course, we got a Tao Atm City Rider here in red. We got the Candy Raptor here in black. We also have this in red as well. Now this, keep in mind, is inventory for the storefront. Whenever you order anything online, no matter what website you choose, that will be drop shipped to you direct from the manufacturer's warehouse distribution center, depending where it's at nationwide. Again, box crated. I'm going to show you some of the boxes and crates so you know what to expect. This is the Candy Raptor 125 in black. At the local storefront, we have 3 other different colors. And then we have the Blazer from Apollo 125. It's the Blazer 7, fully automatic. Show you the various colors we have. We walk through this aisle right now. We have the Boulder, popular Boulder B1 110 from Tao Motors. This is the beginner's kids ATV. It has 3 safety features that all parents are looking for: speed governor, safety lanyard, and also the parental remote. Really nice to have. We'll walk around here. Now, you see these crates right in front of me. It shows here it's a pink Spider. It's the way they arrive. So you got the cardboard box. Underneath of it, you got that metal crate to protect the vehicle on the inside. Again, this is the size of the box for, it looks like, the T-Force. So this is what you can expect. So if you order this online, this is what you can expect to arrive. Typically, it's liftgate service. They drop it down, pull it up on your driveway. Again, box crated, instructions not included, partial assembly required. Always keep that in mind, you guys. It's your responsibility for proper setup. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the Vatacci, or Apollo if you want to call it. This is called the Rider 8 to my left here, the blue, and then the T-Force. So this is a little size comparison between both. You notice that the T-Force has a wider signature than the Rider 8. So give you a little comparison depending on the rider size and what you're looking for. They're both manufactured very well. I highly recommend either or. I do like a few of the features and graphics on the Rider 8. I do like the colored grips that they provide. Different decals, of course. It does tend to have a little bit more torque off the line on the Vitacci and Apollos. So this is the T-Force here by Tao Motors in tree camo. I'll back up here a bit. And then you got the Rider 8. We got some more Blazer 7s, 125s. This is the kind of grayish black color. This is the Blazer 7 in orange. Now you notice how it looks very similar to the Blazer 9, the popular Blazer 9. It does, except it's a little bit larger. We got more Rider 8s here. This is in burgundy, the burgundy color here, and this is the camel color you have here. So nice looking ATVs. Getting these ready for the fall as well as for the holidays. Now we're gonna walk up here and check out the size of the crates for typical 49cc scooters. Now this is what you can expect here. Like, we do sell the Solano 50 here. This is the size of the crate here. It's a 50cc scooter. So this is what you can expect on crate size. Here's some more for 50cc scooters here. This is what you can expect. I'll walk over here to the Taotao Atm 50A1, which is one of the most popular scooters right now on the market based on value and performance. This is the Pony 50 or the ATM 50A1. This is the size of the crate. So if you guys are ordering online, again, this is what you can expect. If you're new to ordering Chinese motorsports online, they do arrive in the crate. And again, we got Boulder 110s. This is that little mini right here. This is what it looks like out of the box here. This is the small version here. This is the Boulder 110cc. It's the beginner's ATV with a 24-inch seat height. Now this is the box that they came in right here. So this is what you can expect. So if you ordered one of these online, this is the box it would come in. As you can see, sometimes it's damaged. So we always ask our customers that we drop ship these to, please inspect and write down on the bill of lading any sort of damage. Also subject to inspection. You always want to do that because typically there sometimes can be some hidden damage. Once you open it up and you unpackage it, you can. So this is so for warranty purposes, so Tao Motors can ship you some new parts or new items that were damaged. Again, it doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. So these crates, these boxes do ship in perfect condition from the warehouse. But once the freight companies put their hands on it, this is what you can expect. So again, this is for your larger like 150s and larger 50cc crates here. As you can see, significantly larger than the ATM right next to it. So you can see the crate sizes. This is the way it would arrive. Then we got the go-karts here. This is your typical 110cc size or 125cc mini kids go-kart. That's what the crate would look like. We got more ponies over here. So hopefully this gives you a glimpse of what to expect, particularly for you new folks that are ordering online. We're going to walk over and show you the assembly line we have here set up. So this right now is the Jet 9, right? We got the Jet 9 here, 125, correct? Yes. Yeah, so we have Adam here today. So he's organizing all this, making sure everything's in order, and this is part of what we do. And we set up multiple of these the same time. So this is called the Jet 9. It's the 125. Comes in the same crate size as the T-Force crate that I showed you. And this is the 125 from Vitacci or Apollo. Again, Vitacci and Apollo are one of the same companies. So this is the Jet 9. It's the size of the Cheetah from, I'd say, if you want to look at a cross-reference, cross-brand from the Tao Motors Cheetah, or 125. I really like actually the Jet 9. It's really heavy, heavy duty. Again, the Vitaccis and Apollos tend to have a little bit more torque off the line as well. As you can see how we're starting the assembly. Again, these were in a crate. We removed the crates, and I'm going to show you the debris that all this comes in so you guys know what to expect. We got this in the blue, the burgundy red. We have Adam over here doing the assembly here on the control arms, on the orange, and then this is called, what is this one called?
This is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, so this is the first for us. Check this out. It's a nice little simulation over here. Nice looking carbon fiber look in the Jet 9. And again, I'll place a link below, you guys, so you guys can look these up as well, get more details on these ATVs below. And again, follow our other videos that we have. Now, this is all the packaging it comes from. Quite condensed. Again, this is probably about 20 or 30 units condensed of cardboard box. So this is part of the debris you can expect. So again, if you ordered one or two, you're going to have a cardboard box to dispose of. And these are the metal crates it comes in. So this gives you a good idea of what to expect. This can be recycled. We do have a recycle company that does come out here to pick these up. So yeah, that can be done, or you can use it to build something if you guys get creative. So hopefully this helps you guys in what to expect for the upcoming fall and the holiday season. We got more go-karts here in the box. Again, this is for the smaller go-karts. So if you were to order one of these online, this is the crate size you can expect. So hope all is well. Again, I'll place a link below of a few of these models. Again, follow us on Instagram, on IG at Scooter ATV Sales. And scroll down in our video choices. We have a lot of videos on how to, as well as details on all other models, as well as demos from all other models we have done. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.